Hi children, welcome back again to your maths period. We are continuing the session Roman numerals. Today I am going to teach you how to find Indo-Arabic numeral. Indo-Arabic numeral means our normal number. To find the Indo-Arabic numeral, first separate the letter. Second, find the value for each letter. Third, add all this value. Then you will get the Indo-Arabic numeral. Consider this Roman numeral LXX. It would be better if you are starting from the right side and you can separate the letters. The repetition of a letter means you can consider together. Here I am going to start with the right side. So repetition of letter. So I am going to consider together XX. What is the value for XX? 20. Value for L? 50. Next, you should add all this value, then you will get the corresponding Indo-Arabic numeral. First step, separate the letters. It would be better if you are starting from the right. Second step, find value for each letter. Third step, add all this value, we'll get the final answer. Now, next we have CX. Value of X is 10, value of C is 100. So you can add these two values, you will get the final answer. Or else easily you can understand that smaller value symbol which comes in the right side of a bigger value symbol. So addition will come. 100 plus 10, 110. Next, DC. We need to find out the Indo-Arabic numeral for this Roman numeral DC. Value of D is 500, C is 100. Smaller value in the right side of a bigger value symbol. Do addition. 500 plus 100 will get 600. Now consider, next we have XL. Value of L is 50, value of X is 10. But you can see that the smaller value X, which is in the left side of the bigger value L. So we have to do subtraction here. So 50 minus 10 will get 40. XL means Indo-Arabic numeral is 40. Moving on to the next example. Here we have XCIX. It would be better if you are starting from the right side. Value of X is 10. Value of I is 1. So when we consider these two letters, you can understand that the smaller value I, which is written in the left side of the bigger value X. So first you have to do the subtraction with these two letters to get the value of IX. That means 10 minus 1 will get 9. Now IX means the value is 9. Next consider value of C is 100, value of X is 10. Again a smaller value comes in the left side of a bigger value means these two symbols. Here also we have to do subtraction. That is 100 minus 10 will get 90. Which means XC is 90, IX is 9. So XC IX means add these two value will get 99. Consider the Roman numeral LXXXVI. Start from the right. Here easily you can understand that VI means you have learned already. What is that? It is 6. So the value of VI is 6. Now the repetition of a letter means I told you consider together XXX. That is 30. Value of L is 50. Now you can add all this value, then you will get the Indo-Arabic numeral as 86. Moving on to the next session, here we have XLIX. So value of X is 10, value of I is 1. But when we consider these two symbols, we can say easily a smaller value is in the left side of a bigger value means should do subtraction. Or else we can simply say IX means that is 9. Now XL. Value of L is 50, value of X is 10. Again a smaller value in the left side of a bigger value. Do subtraction, that is 50 minus 10 will get 40. XL is 40, IX is 9. XL IX means 40 plus 9 we will get 49. Here we have some Indo-Arabic numeral. X means 10. XX 20. smaller value which is in the left side of a bigger value L. So subtract 50 minus 10, we'll get 40. L 50. Lx. See, value of L is 50, x is 10. Smaller value which is in the right side of a bigger value. Do addition. So 50 plus 10 will get 60. Lxx. Xx is 20, L is 50. So 50 plus 20 will get 70. Next, Lxxx. L means 50, xxx means 30. 50 plus 30, 80. Next, xc. Value of x is 10, c is 100. Smaller value which is in the left side of a bigger value means do subtraction. 100 minus 10. So, xc means 90. C 100. Now, here we can just compare this Roman numerals and Indo-Arabic numerals. Comparison means just find out which is the largest and smallest number. Here we have XL. Here we have LX. Which is the largest Roman numeral? Before that you find out what is the value of XL and value of LX. Here smaller value which comes in the left side of a bigger value. So we should do subtraction here. That means value of L is 50. 50 minus 10. We will get XL is 40. XL means that is 40. LX. Smaller value in the right side of a bigger value. We should do addition. That means 50 plus 10 will get 60. So XL means that is 40. LX means that is 60. So which is the large number? LX. So you can put the symbol like this. That big opening which always comes towards the big number. XL less than LX. Next we have 75 here. Here we have LX, IX. But we don't know which number it is. Find the value. We know that IX means that is 9. LX means now we found that it is 60. So LX is 60, IX is 9. So 60 plus 9, this is 69, this is 75. 75 will be the large number. So symbol will come like this. Next we have XC and CX. XC, smaller value in the left side of a bigger value, do subtraction. 100 minus 10. This is 90. CX, smaller value in the right side, do addition. 100 plus 10, it is 110. So 90 or 110 is the biggest number. That is 110. So this numeral will be the greatest numeral. Here next we have 25. What is this numeral? XX20. 5V means 5. So this is also 25. So both are same. There you can insert equal to symbol. So I hope you understood this session very well. We have completed our chapter Roman numeral. So learn well. Thank you.